Hello, I'm Evan Chaki from Microsoft, and I work on the Power Platform. Thank you for investing your time to learn about the Power Platform and how we can help you digitally transform your business. According to Forrester, 65% of organizations report an app development backlog, and 69% are looking to low-code technology as the way to accelerate this development. We know it's hard to find and hire developers to help you keep up with that backlog. Research is showing 1 million developer shortfall coming and a surge of demand for applications. Power Platform is the world's most complete low-code application development platform, built for citizen developers, pro developers, and IT across entire organizations. Low-code will accelerate your digital transformation initiatives by reducing the time and cost of building web and mobile applications, enabling your team to automate and enhance repetitive, time-consuming processes, and remove data silos with effortless integration to Dynamics 365, Office 365, and Azure. Not to mention the connectivity to your on-prem and cloud solutions that you've invested in outside of the Microsoft ecosystem. The Power Platform allows business users to quickly build applications with point-and-click approach to app design, and they can start from a template or even a blank canvas. And then they can leverage those skills that they have already learned by using Excel-like expressions to easily add logic and connect to data sources that you control. 25% of professional developers have already embraced low-code app development to automate repetitive aspects of their DevOps lifecycle. Now is the time to expand your scale by bringing in those business users that understand their process and pain points, and let them help you tackle your top business initiatives. Combining the abilities of both the business user and the professional IT staff member, these fusion teams work together to quickly create solutions in only 70% of the time it takes using traditional methods. With Microsoft Power Platform, there are no compromises on governance or security. We have one centralized view of management of your first and your third-party apps, eliminating shadow IT. GDPR compliance and enterprise-grade security is consistent with the experience you already have today within Office 365 and Dynamics 365. You are in control of the data connections employees can connect to in the solutions that they're building. With our data loss prevention capabilities, your team defines what can be used and what data sources should not be used together when building an application. Your team should leverage the Microsoft technology stack to build enterprise apps. Tools they use today like Visual Studio, VS Code, DevOps, and GitHub are available for them to use in the Power Platform. This enables the end-to-end lifecycle of applications from custom developments all the way to hands-off ALM functionality and deployments. You can scale your team's innovation on top of apps and automation by leveraging the other low-code application capabilities like AI Builder, virtual agents, and the connectors to build intelligent solutions that span multiple systems and workgroups. We are recognized by analysts as the leader in low-code application development by demonstrating a strong strategic and our vision, as well as the ability to execute. The Power Platform sits at the heart of our mission at Microsoft to empower every person and organization to achieve more. My hope is that you'll be inspired today with this webinar to empower your company to achieve more. Thank you.